If this was food, I would be eating it every day because it just smells so freaking good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe to my channel. It's the only way to support me. In today's video, I share the beauty must-haves for going back to school. As you guys know, September is here and schools have reopened. So some of us are going back to school, some of us are doing online school. Whatever the case is, you want to be prepared for going back and you want to look your best. So if you want to know what I have in my backpack, keep on watching. I have my lovely backpack here. This backpack I got from Target. It is super lightweight. It's not too big, not too small. I love the material and I just love how sleek and modern it looks, and you can fit a lot in here, believe it or not. So let's get to it. I have a couple things that I want to show you guys. I'm going to start off with hair. So we have this Batiste dry shampoo with a hint of Divine Dark, and I love this dry shampoo because for those of you guys that have black hair or brown hair, if you're brunette in general, this is for you. It does not leave any white residue, and so if your hair is oily or if it looks a little shiny and you kind of just want it to look like it's been washed or just a little more fresh, you just do like 3 or 4 sprays of the dry shampoo, massage your scalp, and you're ready to go. Like, your hair will be flowing in the air. I always carry a pack of scrunchies with me, so I leave it here in this bag, but this is from Target and it brings like 50 of them. But these are essentials because I lose scrunchies like no other. Like, I'll literally have one on my wrist, next thing you know, it's not there. It's like magic. I'm like, what is going on? Where did I put the scrunchie? And sometimes when I have my bun like this, I need like 3 to 4 scrunchies to hold it up. So I definitely like to carry a bunch like this just because I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I don't want to have to ask around like, hey, do you have a scrunchie? Hey, because usually people are like, no, sorry, just the one I have in my hair. Like, why don't you carry a lot of scrunchies with you too? You know what I mean? Up next is my edge comb and the edge booster. So this is the Style Factor Edge Booster. It is a water base. This is how it looks inside, and it's like a soft gel. And I just apply a little bit on my edges and then I comb it out. So I carry these two with me at all times just in case my baby hairs get messed up or if I have any flies that I just have to tame down. So next we move to the face, and for the face I actually have a few things. I have this soothing facial mist. It's Rosewater from Target, and I read great reviews on it, so I tried it and I love it. I actually apply it multiple times a day when I'm just feeling like my face needs some hydration, just to give me a little more life. So all you have to do is just shake before applying, and just 3 sprays is all you need. But you can do more if you want. Might as well go all out because it just smells so good. And then you just kind of fan yourself and just let it dry. Next up, you should have your facial sunscreen with you in your bag. Let's say you hit gym class and then you quickly showered or just washed your face. You want to apply a little more moisturizer on. It's very important to moisturize your face. It keeps it rejuvenated. It keeps it youthful. It just keeps it on fleek, you know? And it just brings out that natural glow in you. You should always carry some type of makeup in your bag just because if you decide to put makeup on at any point in time, you'll be prepared. Usually something light like the BB cream, this one is from CoverGirl, is great. It's not too much on the face and it just gives you a natural finish. Then we have Superhero, which is my favorite mascara from IT Cosmetics. And then we have Sweet Cheeks by NYX. It's a cheek tint and it's a peachy color. So essentially you dab a little bit of this on your face. You can use your hands because BB cream is that light, or if you want, you can use a brush. After you're done, you can do the mascara and then you can do a little bit of tint, and you could even use it for the lips. However, if you wanted a more natural look for your eyelashes and you really didn't want to pack on the mascara, this is a clear natural lash gel from CoverGirl, and all you do is just apply. So as you can see, this isn't like regular mascara where you get that full long look. It's more natural and it just does a little lifting but not too much. And you don't even have to use a mirror for this because again, it's clear. You should always carry a little face mirror. This is actually a highlighter from Too Faced called Blinded by the Light. So if you want to do quick makeup but you don't want to run to the bathroom, you have this little face mirror that you can use and it's helpful. Eyeliner is just one of those makeup products that really give you that edge without really having to do much, you know? It's just a little line, but it just says so much. Like, it makes a statement. And so this one is from NYX. It's the Epic Ink Liner. And I just really like how pointy it is. It really gives you that crisp, clean look that you're looking for. Last on the makeup side of things is this clear gloss. This is from SEPHORA. This is actually one of their birthday gifts that they gave me. And I love it because it isn't sticky, but it's hydrating. Just kidding. The gloss isn't the last thing I'm going to talk about face-wise. I have this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, which I've talked about before. But this is great if you're on the go and you don't have time to really fully like outline and fill in your brow with like a brow pencil or, you know, one of those cream gels. You have this applicator which looks very similar to a mascara applicator, and you just go in and dab a little bit into each brow. You just brush it out and it gives you the same kind of look that I have here. Body care is essential for me, and that's why I have these flushable cleansing cloths. These are really good if you need to just wipe down your neck, if you need to wipe down your ear, your underarms, like really anywhere that you feel like you need some freshening up, you use these. We have the Down There wipes. These wipes I like because they're super gentle, they smell good, and they do the job. And you also want to use this when you have your best friend of the month because it's super useful. Which brings me to the panty liners, again from the Up and Up generic brand from Target. Panty liners I use on a daily, not necessarily when I'm spotting from my period or when I'm getting off my period, but just on a daily for discharge purposes. That way I don't ruin my panties, and you should carry a pack. That way you can change them as often as you'd like. This is just regular tissue, so you always want to have tissue in case you need to blow your nose, or you know, you're doing your makeup and something went wrong, you need a wipe. It's always good. Deodorant, this is the Native travel deodorant, coconut and vanilla, smells delicious. You put a little bit on every few hours just in case, you know, you always want to smell good, stay smelling good, you never want any mishaps. We have the lint roller, so in case you have any lint going on, you can easily take it off and just pop it right back in your bag. I don't know about you, but Aquaphor is amazing as a hand cream. I have eczema on this hand, and I usually like to moisturize with Aquaphor because it's really great for dry, cracked skin, which is exactly what I go through, especially in the wintertime when it's like super cold. My hands get extra dry and extra chapped, if that makes any sense for the hands. But you can also use any other hand cream that you want, maybe something lighter or something that smells good, because this one doesn't have a scent. And then my favorite, we have the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good, just And then last but not least is mouthwash, because when you're eating, you know, you have breakfast, you have lunchtime, you want to make sure you rinse everything you've already eaten, and you know, you have fresh breath because you're talking to people all day. You don't want to have that like after cheeseburger breath or whatever it is that you eat. And that is it. I showed you guys all the beauty must-haves for going back to school. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!